guys, we're going to INIHAW the bangus. And then I'm going to do, but we shouldn't lose the knife for kids. Because it's dangerous, or maybe we will cut our fingers.
Okay, so what do we have to ihaw the bangus?
We have fish, we have onions, garlic, and
Ginger.
ginger, tomato, celery, and the leaf of the lime.
And what is this one? The lemongrass.
We're going to mix this one, and then we will mix it, and then we will put inside the tummy of the fish. Let's start now.
The means onion and
Can I help, Mommy?
yeah, sure. We will put some garlic and ginger.
Should I put a bit of garlic?
We will put a lot of ginger, so
Why?
it's not fishy.
Fishy? What's fishy?
Yeah, fishy
Smell.
taste. And this one more garlic. I like garlic.
I don't like garlic.
Garlic is very healthy. I like
Celery.
this one too. Celery. You mix celery, maybe. Put some celery. More celery.
Okay.
More.
And
Finish all the celery.
I think we have to put. Yeah, we have to put a lot of celery so
Why?
it
Only the
gives
garlic and
it
the-
gives a good smell to the fish.
give a good smell for
Yeah. This is buhay in Thailand. So in Thailand we have also milkfish or bangus. And we are going to make ihaw of this. I think
Then let's mix
Half.
it.
half spoon. Wait lang, baby.
I'm gonna mix it for you.
You're gonna mix it. Okay.
It's better
Oh
when
my God. Actually, she washed her hands, so don't worry, guys.
Did you wash your hand?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, are you sure? Did you wash your hand?
I like this.
Kami rin po kasi yung kakain. So it's okay lang.
Alright.
Wait, I will mix it.
No,
So,
no.
abangan nyo
It's
na lang
better
kung
to
masarap
mix.
ang aming inihaw na bangus.
Mix
Yun ang aming ulam for lunch today.
I have too much food everywhere because
We
of
have
the salt.
to do like this. Now we are going to put this one inside the tummy of the fish.
How?
We will just fill it.
Spill?
Wait lang.
First we have to...
Wow. Alright, I think that's enough.
No, it have to
I
be
think
more
that's enough. That's enough. That's enough, baby.
It has to be more garlicky.
Garlicky?
Yeah.
Oh, I love garlicky.
Alright, put more garlic.
So what do you think? Is it... No, it's enough. What do you think? What's gonna be the taste?
I don't know. But I don't want to eat it.
Why?
It's too yucky.
It's not yucky. It's yummy because we made this one.
Yeah. Is it your first time you're gonna eat that?
No.
No. So
When
you
was-
you
when was
eaten
the
that
first
already? Did you eat
When
that
was the
already?
first time you ate the food like this?
I'm not sure, but I don't want to eat this because it doesn't love me.
Today we are going to cook milkfish or bangus in Tagalog. Hi, this is Marielle. So we are here outside the house because we are preparing the fish to be grilled.
Yeah, so we're going to make a fire. First, you have to get a stick and chicken.
Can you show? Can you show?
The other side is cooked, so we're cooking the other side of the fish.
We're gonna flip, guys. So we've done the first. Flip it.
Yeah, already. And I brought this.
What is that?
So this one is the ice in the bag. So when we are hungry, we can put it on our head like this.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
good idea.
So when we are hungry, we can do it like this,
Oh, can you
Yeah.
try? Can I try?
like this.
Can I try? Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, if you are very hot.
Hey guys, it's like that you have ice on your head.
Yeah. Do you remember when I fell down? My mom always put this on my knee.
Yeah, you bump your head.
No, my knee.
Oh,
Well,
your knee.
I was running on the stairs, right?
Yeah.
And then I fall down because Nana Lola gave me a milk and I want to chase. So and then I fall down. My mama put this one on my knee. Sometimes.
Alright, guys.
Today I will show you a great tricks with 1 plus 1 easy, 2 and 2 easy. Let me show you the first one of 1. 1, 1, 2, ta!
Ooh.
Ready? Again. Now 2. 1, 2, ta!
Ooh, amazing.
That is a simple one. I will show you how. I have 2, right? I have to block them together, but make sure you're fast. Then I have to put this down and then put 1 more 2 up. Easy.
1 eternity later. A few inches later.
Let's taste it. Tasty, yummy.
Okay, titikman natin guys kung anong lasa guys.
Alright, I will try the fish. I'll try the fish. Here.
Panalo.
Yummy.
Walang langsa.
It's
Masarap. 10 points out of 10. Yum yum.
yummy. Yum yum. Hi guys, the food was really yummy. I hope you like it too.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up and click the bell button.
Okay.